5-in-1 battery jump starter and power bank starts your cars and motorcycles in a flash, even if your battery is dead like mine or you don't have a battery at all. Simply connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of the battery, the black clamp to the negative terminal of the battery. Plug into your device. Start your car and disconnect within 30 seconds to prevent blowing up the fuse. If you don't have a battery, you connect directly to the car terminals. Red to positive, black to negative. Plug into your device. Start your car and disconnect within 30 seconds. It's also a power bank and can be used for charging your laptops, your digital cameras, your clippers, your mobile phones, and other USB rechargeable devices.